everyone. This is John Grafstrom, and I'm one of the ninth grade science teachers, physical science teachers. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about what this class looks like and a little bit about some of your choices that your student might make for their upcoming ninth grade year. So we have two different ninth grade courses that we offer. The first one is called HP Science or High Performance Science. And this is the upper level class of the two. All right. So we try to, for this class, it's more of a lab-based learning. There's a lot of lab-based learning that we do. And we're looking for students that really have a passion for science. And they really love science. They really want to be involved in science going forward. All right. So we're looking for students that want to explore science beyond the content in the class. They're motivated. They are interested, like I said, in learning more about science and scientific method and those types of things. We're expecting students to be real self-driven. They work well independently. They're able to learn on their own, and that they are motivated to do well. We're going to expect the students to do some homework, and it's moving at an accelerated pace. And we do lab reports in this class. We do pretty formal lab reports. We have the students write up labs that we do. And the expectation is they are a good writer and they're able to understand what's expected of them in a lab write-up. And one of the things to consider also is that as sophomores, so as 10th graders, if you do take HP Science as a ninth grader, you want to consider, do you want to take either HP or AP Biology as a sophomore? So there is an AP option to get college credit as a sophomore, AP Biology. So that's something else to consider as you move forward. The other class that we offer is called Regular Physical Science. And these are for students that maybe are do a little bit better with lecturing on content. It's not that we don't do labs, because we do try to do a lot of labs in there, but a lot of the content's delivered through lecture. And we don't do formal lab write-ups in this class. We don't have these long lab reports that we have the students do. And the students that would be expected to take this class are maybe students that science is not their passion. It's not maybe their favorite class. It's a class that they enjoy maybe, but it's not something they'd consider as their favorite class. All right. The sequencing and the style that we use is real similar to 8th grade science. So if you like that, that would be a class that would go along with that. And so just when you're considering which classes to take, you want to think about a couple of different things. You want to think about, again, do you have a passion for science? What is your workload going to be? What are some of the other classes you're taking? Are you taking a lot of HP classes? Are you involved in a lot of different activities or sports after school? Are you involved, or maybe you have a job after school or planning on having a job? So you want to look at those things when you're deciding which class to take. And so if you have a question about what class to take, what do you think would be best for you, you can always email me. My name's John Grafstrom. My email is grafstromj@district279.org. And you can always email me with questions. But that's kind of a general breakdown of what the two classes are and what they look like. And so good luck next year. I probably will have some of you in class. And hopefully everybody has a great rest of their day. Thank you.